kind of stuck at the pier here for a little bit. You know, in my last episode I talked about the thermostat on the boat being bad, so I ordered one from Amazon. Came early, I mean it was middle of last week, but it was the wrong one. So I ordered from eBay. You know, a little bit more, but it was free shipping, and they said it's going to take 10 to 15 days for it to get here. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's forever. So here I am, kind of stuck at the pier. That's all right. It's all part of it, right? So today I thought, hey, let's go for a little tour of the pier I'm on, Gulf, here at Old Point Comfort. Let's take a little walk, guys. Well, I know a few of the boaters here. I see them frequently. Some I don't see very often. This is something, though. I'll tell you what. Look at all this grass or whatever it is. It's just everywhere in the last week here. Unbelievable. But let me take you for a little walk here. So here at the end of the pier, this guy over here, he is in the process of putting new engines in. He took them all out himself, and the amazing thing is he did it right here at the pier. He jerry-rigged some kind of a lift that he was able to get them out. Heck of a job. Anyway, and then we also have on our pier the Hampton fire rescue boat is here, so if we have any problems, hey, they're right here. My boat neighbor Oz takes excellent care of his boat. They're down frequently, and he does a nice job with keeping everything up. And we got one vacant slip. I'm not sure. The people may have been hauled out to fix things up. This guy here, I haven't met him, but I see he's been down to his boat a lot more lately in the last couple of weeks fixing things up. And here on this nice boat, these guys live aboard. And over here, look at this beautiful enclosure. They just had that put on, and what I really like on this boat, I mean, look at this. I guess you call it a station wagon stern, but that's pretty nice. These guys, I saw them yesterday for the first time in a long time. I don't know what they're doing, but they put this plank up across to walk across. Maybe they have dogs or something. It's hard for them to get on and off. Not sure. These guys I haven't seen much this year. Oh, these guys just put a new generator in. They had that dropped in. They had to dry haul for that. But they take really good care of their boat. Now, if you're going to ask me what kind of boats these are, I don't really know. I'm not that into boats, you know, like cars. You ask me what a car is, I'll tell you, it's green, it's blue. I don't know. Yeah. Same with boats. What kind of, well, I know this is a Morgan. I don't know the specifics of it. Oh, this guy here on the catamaran, he's got a regular garden growing, and he does a nice job with it. But remember I said earlier there's a lot of the seagrass in the water? Yeah, apparently this was clogging up his intake for the air conditioning. And this gentleman over here, he's getting ready. I see he's put the parts back on for his wind vane steering. He usually takes the summer up in New England. Have never seen these people, but nice boat. And this guy here, I did a picture of him before, but you can see there's a little bit of growth going on there. And I talked to the Marina about it, And they said about once a year they need to pump him out because he's getting ready to sink. And not sure why. I mean, he still pays his slip fees and everything, but why he lets that happen, it's probably something pretty easy because it's a very slow leak. But that's the way it is. These are new people. I haven't met them yet. They came in earlier. I'm not sure what their status is. Same with over here. Haven't seen them for a while. The gentleman on this boat comes down, does some work on it. I think he's getting things fixed up pretty nice. This small power boat, I don't know if you'll be able to see it the way the sun is. He's got a lot of growth going on there on his outdrive and things, but he does come down occasionally. I'd be afraid to take any of that off. I think that outdrive boot would probably start leaking and he'd have serious problems with that. And over here, another nice boat. I see these guys once in a while. Never seen anybody on this boat. And I've seen this gentleman a couple of times, but he's kind of new to boating. And where his boat is, he kind of hit the fire extinguisher port there a little bit, I think. And then this catamaran, I haven't met this person, but I know last year he hauled out and had the hull done, and I think this year, yeah, it looks like he's working on the top side now too. And this is pretty clever here. You know, kind of like for a jet ski or small boat, keeps the boat out of the water, keeps it clean. And then here, this is a handicap pier. We have this walkway. And then over here is another walkway. And that's kind of it on the Gulf Pier. Maybe sometime next week we'll take a walk over on Foxtrot. I mean, there looks like a lot of neat vessels over there. And I hear a lot of work going on there. I'm kind of curious, you know. We're all curious, right? It's fun to walk the piers and see the different boats. So maybe we'll do that next week. All right, well, that kind of takes care of it, guys. Until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.